Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then click on alarm over here at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this blue plus icon. Following that, you need to set up an hour. When you're ready, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and click on label. Then label your alarm however you wish to, click on save and tap on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Following that, click on alarm ringtone and select one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you. Then go back. But you can also click on alarm ringtones, tap on select from files and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the best song for you and clicking on the back button twice. Then choose allow in the pop-up and tap on set alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same one. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!